Today, I'll be showing you my Google Classroom. Here's my homepage, and here's a little introduction about myself, the mission and vision of the Kolehiyo, and the importance of Google site. And next po is my overview. Ipa-follow up ko na lang po yung mga details dyan before passing my Google site po. And here's my reflection on module 1. And here is my reflection of module 2 po. And module 3 along with module 4 and module 5. And ito po yung BAC namin as a group, and here is my group mates and me. And ano na po tayo sa Silo 1. Here's my Silo 1 Laudare task. In-explain ko po dyan yung mga na-experience ko nung event na yon. Even though na-late po ako kasi na-late po ako ng gising. And here's my predicare task. And here's my reflection po. And let's move on to Silo 2 po. Nagganitong method na lang po ako ng presentation kasi po cellphone lang po yung meron ako sa bahay, and hindi ko po alam kung paano ko ma-present while taking a video kung wala po akong laptop, kaya nag screen record na lang po ako. And here's my Silo 2 Laudare task. And my benedicere task. And my predicare task. Let's move on to Silo 3 po. Here's my letter to God, the Laudare task po. And here's my benedicare task, the using of my reusable tumbler instead of plastics. And here's my predicare task. And here's my self-reflection po. And ito po yung Silo 4 Laudare task, my baptismal certificate. Wala po yung mga taken pictures while being baptized po kasi nawawala po. And here's the image of Jesus. My benedicare task and my predicare task po. Let's move on po for final Silo task, Silo 5. And here's my Laudare task. And the final activity and predicare task and self-reflection po. Ayun lang po.